Now you'll notice this is the magic of the airbrush. You can model three-dimensional objects really quite well with this. It's almost a photographic quality to it. You're going to have a lot of fun doing these. Do a lot of these. Try the different the angles where the light will work and so on and so forth. Later I'll show you how to mask off a corner and be able to put maybe even a shadow as if this was a ball sitting on a table. Now what I want to do is show you how to do this particular exercise now opaquely. All right? We're going to go ahead and just put that back down right there. And this time, instead of using the white of the paper to create it, I'm going to use a white paint. So first things first, I'm going to gradiate this ball all the way down. So I'll get my darkest area. Okay, I'm going to make that right there, just like that. All right, what I'm going to do now is show you how to change colors and clean your airbrush out. One of the frustrating things most airbrusher beginners run into is they don't keep their airbrush clean. What you do is you put the water in the cup here, and then you take your finger and you pinch the end, make sure you don't poke yourself, and press down, and now watch this. That'll start bubbling. You see it bubbling in the cup there? That's blowing air back through your brush. And you want to just keep doing that until all of the reservoir is cleared out. You can just put your finger over like that. Just keep doing it until it comes clear. See that? It's coming clear. Do this often, all right? Keep your airbrush clean. What happens is paint builds up on the end, clogs it, and acts like a cork, okay? That's ready for the next color. All right. Now we're going to show you how to put the highlight on this because we're working opaquely, not using the paper as the highlight, but we're going to add some white. We're going to put the highlight in the same area as the prior one. And down here you're going to have some reflected light, and so I'm just going to take a little bit of white. You remember that technique on how to do this? This is where we're using this. And dry it back a little bit. And then up here, I'm going to put the highlight. Now, make sure you work dry, don't work wet. It's easier to add paint than it is subtract it. So dry it back occasionally just by using paint and air. Work with it. Be patient. There you go. Let's undo this and see what it looks like. It's my favorite part, is taking it out. Okay, what we have here is two different styles. This is working transparently using the paper. This is working opaquely, adding white. Now let me show you how to punch it. To make it look like a marble, you want to punch this highlight so that it's a hard highlight. So often I will just take pure paint and I'll just put a little dab right there. Gives it a highlight. Or kind of a small reflective when you put one right next to it. There you go. Now stop the video and go try this. Do several pages of it. And remember, have a lot of fun doing this because this is where the magic begins.